Good morning, everybody. You're watching Multi-Vortex Forecast. Today we'll be covering the storm system that will be affecting the United States over the next 3 days. So starting now, here's a current look at the U.S. Synoptic setup. We got a trough here over much of the western U.S. at 500 millibars, and there's really two trough axes over the western United States. This first one further out west is going to cause rain for most of the western U.S. today. This is the same disturbance that brought a lot of snow to the Washington, Montana area last night. And we're going to see some rain, we're going to see some snow up in the higher elevations. But the main story is this low pressure system situated currently over Kansas. That's bringing storms to much of the Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri region. We've had plenty of tornado warnings this morning. This is being fueled by a bunch of moisture being pumped up from the Gulf of Mexico currently. We got a giant area of 60s, 70s dew points running in the dry air, running to the cold front associated with that low pressure system. We also got a warm front up here, and that's going to continue to move north throughout the day. By tonight, the low pressure system should be situated over Wisconsin, so we're going to see a lot of rain, a lot of storms move up here through Illinois, up to like Indiana, up to Michigan, and even Wisconsin. The only real cap to today's storms is the instability. It's not too unstable out there. Cape values should be below 1,000 except for a select few areas, so not much in terms of violent long-term tornadoes today. But we have seen a few tornado warnings this morning, including an ongoing one for Jasper, Missouri. As we get into tomorrow, the trough will kind of condense. We'll no longer have two axes. We'll have one just giant positively tilted trough located over much of the central U.S. This will cause the diffluence needed to lift storms. We'll also have the low pressure system now located in southern Canada with the associated cold front stretching all the way down the United States. We'll see rain in much of the eastern U.S., even up in there to Canada. But the main severe threat will be down here around Louisiana, Mississippi. We have a day 2 slight risk outlined by the Storm Prediction Center. This is where Gulf moisture will be interacting with that cold front, causing storms to rise. And we'll have Cape values above 500, even into 1,000 for some of the region. We will see severe storms. However, at the moment, tornadoes do not look to be the biggest threat, as convective mode will have winds running parallel to the line. So this is looking to be more of a wind or hail threat tomorrow, but we definitely can't rule out tornadoes. We will probably see some, but it won't be the primary threat tomorrow for Louisiana and Mississippi. This storm system will persist into Saturday. By then, we'll have a new, weaker low situated over here around Lake Erie and Lake Ontario, and we'll have a cold front pushing through the Appalachian area down to the south. This will bring rain and storms to much of the East Coast. We'll see some storms here around the south with the marginal risk outlined for much of Alabama, Georgia, even up into parts of southern Virginia, but not too much in terms of instability, so we shouldn't see any major severe storms. Lastly, the trough will be a bit stronger up here in the upper Midwest, so we'll see rain from parts of Minnesota all the way over to Michigan. So yeah, that's your 3-day forecast. We got a January severe threat. Not anything too major, but you definitely want to stay weather aware if you're in any of the areas I outlined today. Thank you for watching as always. Please leave a like. I'm begging. But yeah, that's about it for today. Y'all have a good one.